At Danish Technological Institute, we offer a unique opportunity for contract manufacturing at our pilot plant, ranging from 2 to 20 tons. With our 2 large pellet press units, we can undertake contract production, for example, complementary feed for horses, or produce larger batches of trial feeds for pigs and poultry. Without causing interruptions to your ongoing operations, we offer to test a wide range of process parameters on our pilot plant. For instance, we provide the flexibility to adjust ingredient quantities or assess the effect of various binder types on pellet quality. When it comes to feeds produced using your ingredients, our pilot testing facilities offer the ideal environment. Here, you can conduct trials under controlled conditions and obtain reliable data to either validate your product or identify areas requiring further development before scaling up to a full commercial size.